So DIY urbanism stands for do-it-yourself urbanism. The term is meant to describe activities led by citizens that kind of take back the city or take back spaces in the city to make them better or more useful for the community. Whether that be temporary or permanent, it just depends on the activity.
So DIY means do it yourself, and this concept of do it yourself goes back a really, really long time. It actually goes back to the end of the 19th century with the arts and crafts movement, where people were reacting to industrialization, and then the early part of the 20th century. DIY basically means do it yourself, you know. The urbanism component is deals with the city, and in this particular context, we're talking about the city of Windsor. So what we're looking at in this particular symposium with regards to DIY urbanism is what kind of do-it-yourself activities are happening in the city of Windsor across all sorts of disciplines, all sorts of arts. It is meant to facilitate a dialogue among all the different groups that we have in the city of Windsor. For example, when the SoCA building, the School of Creative Arts, located in the Armouries, one of the main things that our purpose is to help revitalize the downtown. So VABE program, which is Visual Arts in the Built Environment, which is located in the SoCA building, we're part of the School of Creative Arts. One of the things we wanted to do is to create a dialogue among all the different people in the downtown. So that meant the BIA, the Downtown Business Improvement Area, all the businesses, but also with the artists that represent the art community and the cultural component. So we're talking about musicians, artists, craftspeople, hackers, all the people that are doing different things to help shift the city. Even restaurateurs and bar owners and things of this nature. So it's meant to help create a dialogue among all the different people that use the downtown.